This is a look at some of the utility classes we can use in CloudTheme. I'm still documenting everything. There's a lot that we can do. Some quick things. If we have, let's say, one column layout and we've got two controls, but you want one of them just to be alternate color but go full width, it's kind of difficult. You'd have to make sure this was in a full width section normally, but luckily with CloudTheme, this is my layout, so I've got that gray bar was in section 1, so we have a class go full, and let's see what that does here. So good. Now without doing any major work, just by adding that one utility class, we can tell that full width section, or that section within a regular layout, it can go full width, edge to edge, and as long as we have a class on it. So I was using BG1, that's the class that gives me the gray background color. As long as we have that, we can see that it is going full width. And then let's look at if we wanted a collapsible widget, and these are just two HTML controls. There's another utility class for that, and that is just CG collapse. Let's see what that does. And now we have a nice little collapsible widget. You could use this for like FAQs or for anything, if you just wanted to hide bits of data, not screw up your whole layout, you could just put them in this CG collapse layout. And then one other thing is more about kind of fixing some of the underlying code of higher logic. Our friend Simon mentioned on the Hug forum that he wanted an alt class for this is the profile widget, just shows the user's image, and the alt is actually there, but it's empty, which is weird. But we do have a title attribute, and I think Higher Logic's added the empty one just to get past the an audit of their accessibility. But it's empty, so it's really useless for someone who's using a screen reader. So I've added that to CloudTheme, something that fixes that, and the class is title. Ooh, actually, I like to keep them nice and short, so it's T-alt. It just means title alt, so I'm moving the title attribute into the alt tag. Then if I view that page, we'll see, and I have not tested this on a screen reader, but you would want your screen reader to be have JavaScript enabled, and I think to use the site you need JavaScript enabled anyway. So I hope that's kind of a standard. But now you can see I do have my alt tag Philfoss, and so most things in CloudTheme, like when you install CloudTheme, there's a few components. You won't actually see much happen to your site. All the classes are kind of opt-in, so you won't see the functionality until you've gone through the documentation, found the classes you need, and added them to the control. And the good thing about having this opt-in system, once Higher Logic actually fixes the alt tags, that's fine. We can just go to that control, remove it, hit save, and then it's uninstalled.